Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us see exercise 7.3, question number 3. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, 1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Right? Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Here let us follow the question carefully, because here there are two questions are there to be solved. Let us see one by one. First one, find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are these three are the vertices. Here we need to understand that there is a triangle. Let us name it as ABC, where this first vertex can be taken as A, that is A 0, 1. Second one as B, that is B 2, 1. And the third vertex is C, that is 0, 3. Now we have to find the area of the triangle formed by the midpoints. So let us find midpoint of AB. Right? Let us label it as D. Now first task is to find D. Next E, that is the midpoint of BC. Next F, that is the midpoint of AC. Then by joining those midpoints DE, EF and DF, by joining these midpoints we get a triangle, that is triangle DEF. This area is to be found. Is it clear? So area of this triangle DEF is to be found. Now this is the first task. Next task is that we need to find the ratio of this shaded area to the area of the big triangle, that is ABC. Right? So first let us find D, then E, then F. So clearly D is equal to the midpoint of AB. D is the midpoint of AB. For this we need to use midpoint formula. So midpoint formula is midpoint of a line joining AX1 Y1 and BX2 Y2 is X1 plus X2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. This is midpoint formula. Using this midpoint formula we are going to find D, E and also F. Let us find D first. So here D is equal to, here you can take A as X1 Y1, B as X2 Y2, because D is the midpoint of AB. That's why here I am taking A as X1 Y1, B as X2 Y2. Now according to the formula, X1 plus X2 by 2, that means here you see X1 is 0 plus X2 is 2 by 2, Y1 is minus 1 plus Y2 is plus 1 by 2. On simplification we get D as 0 plus 2, 2 by 2 is 1, minus 1 plus 1 gets 0, means they get cancelled, so 0 by 2 is 0. Therefore we got here D as 1, 0. So here I am writing D 1, 0. Clear? Now we need to find E. So here I am finding E. E is midpoint of BC. Now let us change this labeling. So here, since E is midpoint of BC, I am taking B as now x1, y1, C as x2, y2. Formula is the same. So here x1 plus x2 by 2 means here 2 plus 0 by 2. 2 plus 0 by 2, comma, y1 is 1 plus y2 is 3. So 1 plus 3 by 2. From here we get E. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So here E, we got 1 comma 2. Here I am writing E 1 comma 2. Now we have to find F. Now we are finding F. F is the midpoint of A and C. So here we change the labeling. Here A I am taking as x1, y1 and C I am taking as x2, y2. Now F is the midpoint of A and C. So x1 plus x2, here x1 is 0, x2 is also 0. So here 0 plus 0 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. y1 is minus 1 plus y2 is 3 by 2. So here let us simplify the value of F. That is 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 by 2 is also 0. And 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So here F we got as 0 comma 1. So we got F 0 comma 1. Right? So this is how first we need to find the values of D, E and F. Now we are going to find area of the smaller triangle DEF using these vertices. Right? Now we find area of triangle D, E and F. So let us find area of triangle D, E and F. As we know the formula, first let us write the formula: half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus, as there is no place here I am writing x3 into, so here I am keeping the plus here. So x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula of triangle DEF. So here let us change the labeling. Here as we are finding the area of triangle D, E and F, let us give x1, y1 to D, x2, y2 to E and then x3, y3 to F, because we are finding the area of triangle DEF. Let us substitute the values here. 1 by 2 let us write as it is. First I am writing x1, then x2, then x3. See here x1 means 1 into something plus x2. x2 is also 1. 1 into something plus x3. x3 is 0. 0 into something. Now I am going to fill these blanks with the values of y1, y2 and y3. According to the formula, y2 minus y3. Here you see y2 is 2. So y2 minus y3. y3 is 1. Next here y3 minus y1. y3 is 1 minus y1 is 0. Next y1 minus y2. y1 is 0 minus y2 is 2. Let us simplify this value to get the area of triangle DEF. So here 1 by 2 let us write as it is. 1 into 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0 is 1 plus, here you see 0 into minus 2 is minus 2. 0 into again minus 2 is 0. See here, clear? 0 into, if it is anything, whatever it is, 0 into anything is 0. So better do not write anything there. So let us write directly 0, right? So here on simplification we get 1 by 2 into 1 1 jar 1 plus 1 1 jar 1 plus 0. Plus 0, it has no value. If you write, if you don't write, no problem, because here 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 0 is 2 will come. Same way here, let us leave this as 1 plus 1. So on simplification we get this as 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 is 2. Let us cancel 2 and 2. So here we get answer 1. Since it is area, we need to write square unit, 1 square unit. So finally here, therefore area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 square unit, right? This is the area of this triangle. Which one? Triangle DEF. Observe the question here. Find the area of the triangle formed by the joining midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are these three. So till here we found the area of DEF. Now our task is to find the area of bigger triangle. Then we have to write the ratio of this value to the area of triangle ABC. Now we are going to find the area of triangle ABC, right? After that we are going to find the ratio also. Now as we know, area of a triangle formula, here we are finding area of triangle ABC is half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Here as we are finding area of triangle ABC, let us change the earlier labeling. x1 y1 earlier it was given to D, x2 y2 is for E, x3 y3 is for F. Now we are going to give x1 y1 is for A, x2 y2 is for B, x3 y3 is for C, because we are finding area of triangle ABC. Let us substitute the values here. 1 by 2 modulus, first I am writing x1 value, that is 0 into plus x2 value 2 into plus x3 value is 0 into. Okay, now I am going to substitute y1 y2 y3 values according to the formula. y2 minus y3, here you see y2 is 1, y3 is 3, so it is 1 minus 3. Next y3 minus y1, y3 is 3, minus of minus 1 it is. See, y3 is 3, this minus, y1 itself has minus, this minus into this minus becomes a plus, so minus 1 becomes plus 1. Now y1 is minus 1 minus y2, y2 is minus 1, right? Let us simplify this. 1 by 2 into, see here, it is 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 0 into minus 2 is 0, so directly I am writing here 0. Next 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 4s are 8, so it is plus 8. It is minus 1 is minus 2, 0 into minus 2 is again 0, so let us write 0 as it is. So on simplification, here we get 0 plus 8 is 8, 8 plus 0 is 8, so here we get finally 1 by 2 into 8 can be written as 8 by 2. So here 8 by 2 means it is 4, so here we get, therefore area of triangle ABC is 4 square units. So area of triangle ABC is 4 square units, right? Now we have come to the conclusion part of this problem. Here we are asked to find the ratio of this area. This area means area of triangle DEF to the area of the given triangle. Given triangle is ABC. Now in this case we need to find the ratio of triangle DEF to the triangle ABC. This is the triangle which is formed by the joining the midpoints, and this is the given actual triangle. So here the ratio is nothing but triangle D area. Okay, here ratio of area of, so it is area, this is also area. So here I am writing area of triangle DEF is to area of triangle ABC. As we have found these values just now, area of DEF triangle is 1 square unit is to area of triangle ABC also just now we got, that is 4 square units. Therefore the required ratio is 1:4. So here let us write the conclusion. Hence here area of triangle DEF is 1 square unit, and required ratio is 1:4. With this problem, third one gets completed.